इनसे बुलवा तो साथ साथ में मतलब वैसे ही थोड़ा स्टार्ट सा कर देंगे तो बीच बीच में जब अवार्ड बोलने वो बोलते जाए क्योंकि इनको फिर पता नहीं लगना सारे।
हाँ चलो ठीक है, अवार्ड्स के टाइम में थोड़ा सा ले लूँगा माइक। अभी अब शुरू करो, माहौल बनाओ। 15 साल हो चुके हैं हमें खेलते हुए। हेलो,
requesting everyone to join this post-match presentation ceremony. जीसस चैंपियंस लीग 2021 ये जो सिलसिला है ये 15 साल पहले शुरू हुआ था और हर साल हमें बहुत अच्छा क्रिकेट मैच देखने को मिलता है। तो सबसे पहले आप सभी लोगों के लिए जोरदार तालियां, आप एक दूसरे के लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाएं। अच्छा स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट देखने को मिला है इस पूरे टूर्नामेंट में। और पवनदीप सर के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां, जिस तरीके से इस पूरे टूर्नामेंट में जिस तरीके से इनका रोल रहता है और जिस तरीके से मैसेज पास ऑन करते हैं सभी प्लेयर्स को, बहुत ही पॉजिटिव होते हैं। सो थैंक यू सो मच सर। और इसके अलावा इस कोविड सिचुएशन में, इस पेंडेमिक में इस प्रकार का टूर्नामेंट होना और आप लोगों का परफॉर्मेंस, अगर मैं इंडिविजुअली बात करूं तो वो भी अमेजिंग। तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए जिन लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया इस पूरे टूर्नामेंट में। और एज ए कमेंटेटर मुझे 2-3 चीजें बहुत अच्छी लगी। सबसे पहले स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट, रमनदीप सिंह जी यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है। एक समय ऐसा आया था जब ये कॉर्ड बिहाइंड की अपील हुई थी, अंपायर उस टाइम श्योर नहीं थे, लेकिन इसके बावजूद ये वापस डगआउट में चले गए। तो इस प्रकार के स्पिरिट के लिए जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए। Moving on to award ceremonies.
So guys, how was the tournament? आपकी तालियों से पता लगना चाहिए, मजा आया आपको? Everybody enjoyed? Yes. Oh, 3 cheers for Jesus Cricket. तो चलिए अवार्ड सेरेमनी का सिलसिला शुरू करते हैं। पहला मैच जो कि खेला गया था और सबसे लो स्कोरिंग रहा इस टूर्नामेंट का। शुरुआत थोड़ी धीमी थी लेकिन बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स। और सबसे पहले मैच में जिन्होंने गेम चेंज किया, सबसे पहले अवार्ड से पहले मैं कुछ लोगों को यहाँ पे आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा टू कम एंड गिव अवे द अवार्ड्स। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आवर डायरेक्टर सर मिस्टर पवनदीप सिंह सहगल, काइंडली बी हियर प्लीज। मिस्टर रमनदीप सिंह सहगल, Mr. Shavinder Singh Sandhu, Mr. Mandeep Singh Khurana, Dr. Bhajandeep Singh ji, kindly be on the stage to give away the awards. Dr. साहब अगर मेरी आवाज को सुन रहे हैं आ जाइए। Okay. So all the dignitaries are here. So let's have the first game changer, and he is none other than the man who scored 48 runs. 4 deliveries, 4 boundaries, 4 sixes, Babbar Singh Kyale, game changer. Whoa. Sir. I would request Mr. Amrit Pal Singh Makkad, APS Makkad, kindly come forward. So game changer हैं, पहले मैच के टूर्नामेंट की शुरुआत की थी, ताली जोर से बजनी चाहिए। देखिए आपकी टीम के प्लेयर थे या नहीं, ताली जोर से बजनी चाहिए. गब्बर सिंह कहले. Okay, so man of the match and the man who kept the temperament all the way in this tournament took 5 wickets and the only player to take this tournament, Mandeep Singh Khurana, the Mr. Fitness. Whoa. Moving to the second match. So the game changer in the second match, an opener, a brilliant opener, left-handed, 79 runs made in the opening, and his Shankar, kindly be here, Shankar, 7 boundaries, 7 sixes. And he looks like an overseas player. Shankar, well played, Shankar. It was the first 50 of this tournament, and the match जिन्होंने 79 रन्स की इनिंग को भी छोटा कर दिया अपनी ऑलराउंड परफॉर्मेंस के साथ, मिस्टर अमरबीर सिंह पावा. अमरबीर सिंह जी, यू विल बी केप्ट वेरी बिजी टुडे. ऑल द वे मिस्टर डिपेंडेबल ऑफ जीसस क्रिकेट, मिस्टर अमरबीर सिंह पावा. बिग हैंड फॉर हिम. यार ताली तो बजाओ, कंजूसी किस बात की. कम ऑन, इतनी ऑडियंस है यहाँ पे. वेल प्लेड अमरबीर जी. Moving to the third match, the game changer award goes to the man who played an innings of 22 runs and 3 wickets, Parampal Singh Khurana. Oh, PP boy. 3 wickets, 22 runs. Oh, boy, PP boy. Okay, 3 cheers for him. And the man who took away this match in the last over when 17 runs were required and played superbly all-round performance once again, Vitin Sehgal. Well played. The man with moustaches. बहुत सोनिया मुच्छा, बबलू, शाबाश. Well played, Vitin Sehgal. Next match, the game-changing spell, 2 overs, 6 runs, 3 wickets. Surinder Pal Singh, the game changer. Whoa.
Now for the man of the match award for this match, it goes to the announcer of the event, Mr. Sachin Arora, for his performance of 35 runs, included 3 sixes, 3 fours in 19 balls, and won the match for his team.
Okay, next match, and the game changer in this match, the man who took 3 wickets and again an innings of 22 runs, Nitin Sehgal, game changer. He was not game changer, actually he was the impact player, so we decided to give him away. 3 wickets and 22 runs. Big hand for Nitin Sehgal. And yes, it was a close fight. Only 10 runs were required in the last over. And everybody was, on one side. But there was some change in length. And the impact bowling brought him into the match. Vikramjit Singh Saggu, man of the match.
Made good runs also.
He scored 26 runs as well in 12 balls. 3 boundaries, 2 sixes. And the game-changing last over. 2 wickets as well. Big hand for Vikramjit Singh. And moving to the next match. The man with long legs. 3 sixes, 4 boundaries. An innings of 48 not out as an opener. The emerging player, Mr. Rohit Bandula. The impact player. Big hand for this young man. He's the CFO, Chief Finance Officer as well of our cricket club. He manages very well. Cricket की जीत कराते हुए रोहित बंडूला. And the man of the match. Who can forget this innings? 5 sixes to the Shatabdi Express, to the Rajesh Akhtar. 5 sixes in over. Pawandeep Singh Sehgal ji. Otherwise, he has played an innings of 82 runs, 12 sixes, 1 boundary, strike rate of 256. Big hand for this young man. Moving to the finals. And when we talk about finals, so there are two big names. They're always there. So let's have on the stage, first of all, the game changer who came almost at the last down when much needed innings was required, and he came forward. 15 balls, 49 runs, 5 sixes, 4 boundaries. Amarveer Singh Pava, big hand. Mr. Dependable, he can change his gear anytime. Big sixes. What a player he is. We are blessed to have him in our family. And the player of final match. And he has done it consistently. अभी इस मैच से पहले बात हो रही थी कि घर से फोन आया है और कहा है कि अभी तक कोई अवार्ड नहीं है, अभी पर फाइनल पड़ा है. तो फाइनल का प्रेशर भी लिया और उसको जिताया भी. ओपन पर आए और जब खुद ओपन में आ जाते हैं तो फिर आउट करना मुश्किल होता है. 66 की इनिंग्स, चिंतन सहगल, बिग हैंड. Virat Kohli of Jesus, Virat Kohli, the man who handles the pressure very well, and always keeps a smile on his face. So some more awards. Let's have a player with more sixes in this tournament, and the most sixes are 13 hit by any player, but there are 2 players, so this award would be shared. Yes, and both of them are much capable of hitting big sixes. So Amarveer Singh Pava and Pawandeep Singh Sehgal would be sharing this trophy. I think they would love to share this trophy. 2 big names. Whoa! Moving to the next award, the most economical bowler. And guess what? The most confident bowler, Yadvinder Singh Shaili. Oh! A6 with basics. Yadvinder Singh Shaili, the most witty player. And there is another award for best fielder. So it goes to the man with the maximum dismissals, and that is 13 again, and he's the man himself again, Mr. Pawandeep Singh Sehgal. Whoa! Okay, so moving to the next award. So let's have the bowler of the tournament. The bowler of the tournament, according to the stats, the highest wickets have been taken by Mr. Amarveer Singh Pava. But as per our director's decision, this trophy would be given to the second best bowler, and he is Vipin Sehgal, best bowler. Vipin Sehgal bowled really well throughout, and Pavaji was exceptional. Okay, so when we talk about top of the table in batting, best batsman with the highest runs, again according to the stats, according to the stats, he is Mr. Amarveer Singh Pava with 118 runs. But Pava ji, आपको थोड़ा सा इंतजार करना पड़ेगा, आपके लिए बड़ी ट्रॉफी है. So it goes to the left-handed opener, Mr. Shankar, overseas player again. He deserved it. He played 4 matches and 107 runs. Big hand for Shankar. And Pavaji, the most valuable player. He has bagged all the awards today. So ऐसी thundering applause होनी चाहिए कि मजा आए और इनके घर तक आवाज जानी चाहिए. Come on everybody, put your hands together for the most valuable player, Mr. अमरवीर सिंह पावा. और जो बेस्ट बॉलर और बेस्ट बैट्समैन की ट्रॉफी है वो भी एक बार ले आइए. पावा जी के साथ एक क्लिक होना चाहिए, बिकॉज बैटिंग में भी बॉलिंग में भी ट्रॉफी ले आओ. बैटिंग बॉलिंग सब में ही कमाल की है. एक बार तीनों ट्रॉफीज दे दीजिए इनको. वो द ड्रीम कमिंग ट्रू इन जेसीसी. क्या बात पावा जी, द स्पेशल प्लेयर.
ਪਾਵੇ ਦੀ ਗ੍ਰੇਟਨੈਸ ਹੈ. ਪਾਵਾ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਦਿਓ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਕੋ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈ. ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ ਯਾਰ ਪਾਵੇ.
पावा जी वेल प्लेड, वेल प्लेड. The man of principles. So now it's time for the winning team to have the winning trophy, and it's beautiful t-shirts, grey, orange. क्या बात है खुराना जी, कमाल कर दिया आपने इन टी-शर्ट्स में. So winning team, the much deserving, the much balanced team, and the number one team of this one, led by Mr. Pawandeep Singh Sehgal. So great team, please come forward. Jesus Super Kings, Jesus Super Kings.
And we want our young gun, Sargun. We'll hand over the trophy to you, young.
And the youngest player to hold the trophy, Sargun will hold the trophy for Jesus Super Kings.
ਸ਼ੈਲੀ, ਉਹ ਸ਼ੈਲੀ ਫੋਟੋ ਖਿੱਚ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਆਓ ਜਿੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ.
Very good, very good.
Whoa!
ਸ਼ੈਲੀ ਕਿੱਥੇ? ਸ਼ੈਲੀ ਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾਓ.
Everybody knows it, Bravo, a champion, champion, champion.
So Jesus Super Kings are finally the champions. Well played everybody, you played like a solid unit team and it was clearly visible. So that's all from the presentation ceremony.
A champion, follow me, a champion, rise.
So we have the coach of this great team, Jesus Super Kings. So let's have few words from Mr. Dheeraj Malli. Dheeraj Malli, kindly come forward. Few words from your side.
Champion, champion, champion. Everybody knows it, Bravo, a champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows Chris Gayle is a champion. Come on, come on. Champion, me a real champion. Champion, me a real champion. Champion, me a real champion. Don't vex if it ain't.
So coach साहब कुछ कहना चाहेंगे यहाँ पर.
ਕੰਫਰਟੇਬਲ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਚਲੋ.
well organized tournament. Thanks to Kapil Bhaji for organizing everything. ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਖਵਾ ਖੁਲਾ ਕੇ ਭੇਜਦੇ ਪਏ ਇਹ. ਸੈਕੰਡਲੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਟੀਮ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ ਮੈਂ. ਇਟ ਵਾਸ ਆਰ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਇਰ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਖੇਡਣਾ. ਸੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਦੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਟੂਰਨਾਮੈਂਟ ਜਿੱਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ, ਫਾਈਨਲ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਕਦੀ. ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਵਾਰੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਇਹ ਜਿੱਤ ਕੇ ਆਈਓ. ਫਿਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਹੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਬਸ. ਸੋ ਟੀਮ ਐਫਰਟ ਸੀਗਾ, ਟੋਟਲ ਟੀਮ ਐਫਰਟ. ਥੋੜੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਕਹਿ ਛੱਡੇ, ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਮਾਫੀ ਆ. ਸਾਰੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਖੇਡੇ ਯਾਰ, ਵੈਲ ਪਲੇਡ.
ਇਹ ਸਾਡਾ ਕੋਚ ਬਣਿਆ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਇਹ ਸਾਡਾ ਵਨ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਬੈਸਟ ਪਲੇਅਰਸ ਹੈ. ਇੰਜਰੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਖੇਲ ਰਿਹਾ, ਪਰ ਅਗਲੇ ਸਾਲ ਵਾਪਸੀ ਕਰੇਗਾ. ਸਾਡੀ ਟੀਮ ਹੋਰ ਸਟਰੋਂਗ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ. ਜ਼ੋਰਦਾਰ. ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਮੱਲੀ.
So at last let's hear few words from the navigator of our ship, Jesus Cricket, Mr. Pavandeep Singh Sehgal.
Good evening, everyone. I hope it is now good morning now. Really very happy to be part of this winning team, especially after a long, long time, as Mali has already said, was waiting for this trophy. As I said yesterday at the time of inauguration, that each and every member of the JCC is very close to my heart. But since this event, this club was actually started by these guys, the ones who I was leading into the team, so it was actually, they are very close to my heart, and I wanted that they should win and I should give my best. By performing in the semi-final, I felt like that I have contributed to my team. And the most important thing, that each and every member in one or the other match, in one match it was Khurana, in other match it was Pawa, in other match it was Chintan, in other match it was Apna Shivinder Sandhu, in one match it was Jimmy, it was me. So everyone in the entire team contributed. This is the strength of JCC. Now talking about the event, almost each one of you in this tough time, as I said yesterday, it is a time of COVID when many of the people are not planning to play any of the cricket. But God bless JCC that we had been playing consistently. We had been really doing well. And this is the mantra of JCC. And as I said yesterday, that health is wealth. Each and every member of the JCC has contributed a lot in his health. And not only on Sundays, this cricket had been going on consistently, even on Saturdays. We have been playing with the best of the teams in the city around, in and around the city, and have been defeating them regularly. Each and every member, when they stand as a unit, today they are part of this team, tomorrow they are part of the other team, the next day they are part of the third team. But what is common in all of them is the killer instinct. Every member has that, and that is the core strength of JCC. So hats off to all of you. Lastly, not taking much of the time, I would say that all these arrangements, which look really minute at times, really takes the heart out. Every member, I named certain of them yesterday. There are many who are standing here, right from Sachin Parampal, I said Bandula, Khurana, he managed with the t-shirts. The other one is managing with the catering. Bhargavji, he was looking after the entire stuff, foods, dinner, my entire staff, the class 4. So it's a big, big effort. It looks very small and minute, but the efforts put in by all of them are really very big. So big thanks to all of the... So big thanks to all the members of JCC who take up the responsibility and have always made me proud of it. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy dinner, have fun, stay connected, stay tuned, and we'll be back soon in action very soon. Thank you. And a special thanks, and a very special thanks to the commentator. Really, he actually bridged the gap which was there in the game and in the commentary. He made it so lively over there. He had so good words for us. He never knew much of the players over here, but he had done a lot of research and homework, wherein he was contributing a lot to the event, and because of him, the level has again gone this much. Thank you so much, Paji. Thank you, Ji. Thank you. Okay, Ji, okay.
Thank you so much, everybody. Signing off. See you next time very soon.